And we're joined by Don Heimer outside of Samuel Place, opening today. Tell us about this place. What's happening? What starts today?
So as of today, we have occupancy permits so that we can start preparing the building for our folks who will be moving in starting March 23rd. And today it's we're celebrating that and letting the mayor come see it, and obviously media, and just talk a little bit more about what supportive housing does. And it changes lives for individuals. It really does make a difference where they can actually feel like I have a home, a place that I can settle, I can think, and I can move forward.
Now, like many of these facilities that you are endeavoring to build around the community, when it's initially announced, there was a lot of people that had a lot of fears about this place. I take it you've been meeting with people in the neighborhood and perhaps gaining their trust?
I do still believe it's going to take some more time. We are going to have a neighborhood open house as well next week. And it's really great because we've been able to talk to them, and we've let them know what's happening, like when the craning came up and when the building's been coming up. And we've had a few people even say, you know, it's looking really beautiful. Thank you for that. How can I help? What do you need? What do you need to know more about? We've spent some time having conversations with some of the people in our neighborhood here too, to let them know that we're here to be good neighbors, and we're going to work together to, hold ourselves accountable to making sure that this is going to be a great neighborhood and a great place to live.
And we saw you showing around one couple that will be living here,
yeah.
And it looked like you felt pretty good about that.
Absolutely. I got to meet them about a week ago and chat with them, and it's incredible because his story, he didn't have the chance, and was bullied and went through a lot in his history, and so did his fiancée.
I just feel relieved, and this is what I've been dreaming of for my whole life, right? And now I have a fiance to share it with.
Also, I'd say staying sober, staying in shelter living, that was kind of hard.
This is going to help us grow with our relationship, and going to be less fighting, and it'd be away from people that we don't really need to be around. We try to quit our addiction ourselves, and today is our fourth day clean, so we're trying to get away from all the drugs, and this place will really help us with that.
And so for them to have a place that they've never had the opportunity to be together is incredible. Like, they really have a new start. I talked to a couple other folks, very similar stories in that, I never had my own place, and I didn't know how to keep my own place. Now I have an opportunity, a second chance to call home.
There's still some people in this neighborhood that you probably still have to make believers out of?
I imagine, and it'll take time. And I think that as we start changing the conversations, start changing the dialogue, and have the opportunity to show that we can make a positive impact in the community, people will come around. It's just going to take time.
All right, Don Heimer of the John Howard Society, thanks for telling us about it, and thank you for watching Kelowna Now.